Question we're going to go through on the average cost method. Okay, then we'll go through those other two methods, which keep your spirits up. They're not as bad. Okay, so it says at the end of the month there are 34 packages of windshield wipers on hand. Find the average cost per package. So here we don't have to find our full inventory. We just have to find the average cost per package. Remember, to do that we have to have the total amount we've spent and the total number of items we've received. So again, we have to do a little extra work here because they didn't tell us the cost of each order. Okay, they just told us how many we ordered and how many each unit, each set of windshield wipers costs. So we have to go through here, multiply 96, if you order 96 items at $19.43 a piece, what would be the price of that order? So we go 96 times 19.43, and we get $1,865.28. Okay, go to the next line. What's the price of the next order? 72 items times $19.56 each. We get $1,408.32. And our final order was on the 31st. We ordered 48 items and they were $19.63 each. Multiply and we get $942.24. Okay, so those are our total prices for our orders. Now we need to go and find out how many total items we've received. So remember, we need to total these, and we need to find how much did we spend all together. So we're going to total all of our orders together to find that total. Okay, so we're going to get a total here and get a total here. Some problems they'll have done that for you. On this one they did not. So we're going to add our units received so we know how many items we purchased all together. We purchased 216 items altogether. Now we're going to total our price, so we come over here and find out how much all of our orders added together were. And we get $4,215.84. Alright, so we know how much we spent all together, we know how many items we bought. Now we want to find the average cost of each item. So we take the total spent, okay, take the total price, or the total dollar spent, I know I'm changing my thing every time, divided by the total number of units. That would be $4,215.84 divided by 216. And I get 19.517777, and it goes on from there. Now if they wanted the average cost, we're done. We just have to round this off to the nearest cent is what they want, and we're done. If we needed to go on and find the value of the inventory, we would leave that number in our calculator and multiply by 34. But all they want is the average cost per item. So that's why it's important to read the question. Sometimes they want different things. We're rounding to the nearest cent. 7, our next number after our cents, is bigger than 5. So we round up and we get a cost of $19.52 is our average cost per item.